Hi everyone, this is Michael from webhostingcat.com, and in this video I want to give you a quick review on my thoughts about the new GoPro Hero 7 Black camera that I just got. I've had my GoPro Hero 4 camera for a while now, so I thought it was time for an upgrade. Now there's a ton of review videos on this camera already online, so here I just want to quickly focus on the main improvements that GoPro has included in the Hero 7 and give you my impressions on how the camera works or doesn't work for me. So the three features I want to focus on here are 1. The Hypersmooth image stabilization, 2. The Super Photo mode or HDR, and 3. The improved audio from the built-in mic. First, let's take a look at Hypersmooth. So here we are, it's a lovely day outside, and actually this is the first time I've actually used the camera outdoors. Shot a few times inside, but first time I've got a chance to use it out here. So first we'll take a look at the Hypersmooth image stabilization, see how that works. Turn it around here. And we'll speed things up a little bit. The Hypersmooth image stabilization is definitely an improvement over my old Hero 4. While it isn't quite as smooth as a gimbal in my opinion, it's close enough that together with the convenience of not having to lug a gimbal around makes it a winner to me. I'm one of those that happen to shoot a lot of still pictures with my GoPro, so I'm really interested to try out the new Super Photo feature. Super Photo is basically an HDR feature that's really good for scenic shots. It's not suitable really for, well, you can't really use it for moving objects because it won't work. It's not really applicable to indoor shots. It's really your outdoor travel or scenic shots. So let's take some photos and see what we get here. Overall, I do like the Super Photo images taken with my Hero 7. It really depends on if you like the HDR look or not, but for me, I do give it a thumbs up. One additional note I found with my testing, when you're shooting in the Super Photo mode, be sure to hold the camera steady for a bit longer after you take the image. Because I'm used to shooting with the speed of a DSLR, on some shots apparently I moved the camera before all of the multiple HDR images could be processed into one image. So I did get some movement blur on some photos. Now for some of you, the other big feature is going to be the time warp or time lapse feature that lets you create a lot of cool special effects. I'm not really planning on using that, so I'm not reviewing it in this video. For me, the other feature that I wanted to test out was the audio. I've seen some reviews that have said that the audio is improved, and then I saw some others that compared the audio from with the Hero 7 to the Hero 6, and actually the Hero 6 seemed a little bit better. So anyway, this is what the audio sounds like in the Hero 7 Black. Seems pretty good to me, and it does seem definitely improved from my old Hero 4. Really, if you're looking for the best if you're looking for the best audio quality, I really recommend you go with an external mic, a lav giant squid. That works really well. But anyway, here it is. Here's what the audio sounds like. Now maybe it's because my old Hero 4 had to be housed in the protective casing, but to me the audio with my Hero 7 Black is an improvement. Again, for optimum audio you definitely want to use an external mic, but it's good to know that if you have to use the built-in microphone, the sound is improved. Oh, and one more thing I wanted to mention. I've seen a number of reviews that are critical of the touchscreen settings menu. I actually find it very intuitive and easy to use, so I'm not sure what the issue is there. Anyway, to sum up my review of the GoPro Hero 7 Black camera, I'm definitely happy with it, and I'm glad I made the decision to upgrade. If you're looking to get your first GoPro camera, or you currently have an older model like the Hero 3 or 4, then you definitely should consider upgrading. Also, if image stabilization is crucial for your videos, then you should also take a look at the Hero 7 Black camera. Thanks for watching everyone, and take care.